In the dense underbrush of Australia's forests, the tiny Antechinus is a surprising source of copious laughs. Known for their frantic energy, these small marsupials have a delightful way of darting haphazardly through the foliage, often accompanied by a seemingly infectious, rhythmic humming. Observing a group of Antechinus is like witnessing a miniature circus with their impromptu, agile backflips as they chase insects in midair. Adding to their charm and hilarity, they occasionally pause abruptly, letting out a high-pitched, chirping huff, as if expressing mild exasperation over a missed catch. These amusing antics, alongside their wiry acrobatics, make them truly nature's little comedians, captivating the hearts of curious onlookers.